Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing HBAR and Algorand. It's going to be an interesting video, guys. The partnership between Hedera and Algo. This can be huge for the short and long term, both for the market and the crypto industry as a whole, guys. So do watch till the end. Anyways, guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Anyways, let us begin first and foremost with the prices, guys. At the time of the recording, guys, Hedera HBAR is down 5.46% for the day. If you look at the month, it is up 8.08% for the month. If you look at the year, it is up 69.01%. It has gone up from 0.04745 all the way to 0.096 in the last month or so. So yeah, this is really good, and it has basically broken this resistance over here and came back down, guys. So these are some crucial lines. Let me show you in the all-time chart. Those of you that aim to buy Hedera for long run, guys, it is down 80.89%. So this can prove to be a really good buying opportunity for the long-term hodlers as well as the short-term traders as well, in my opinion, because if it breaks out from these levels, guys, these are some huge resistance lines over here. Yeah, so this is a big resistance, and momentum will shift if it breaks out from here. Then we might see a test of these resistance 0.19, 0.16. Yeah, so this area 0.16 to 17. So yeah, it can be good for the short term as well. And guys, for the long run, I have told you before that even at a $3.9 billion market cap, at the moment, this is still undervalued because Hedera it has the potential to hit hundreds of billions, even trillion, guys. So yeah, not financial advice, but I really believe what it is for what it is doing and the project it is, the kind of project it is. It certainly has that sort of potential, guys. So do your own due diligence and your own research. And guys, as far as Algo is concerned, it is also down 94.27%. So it is also significantly down. If you look at the monthly chart, 11.21% down, 6.151% down. So those of you who believe in Algorand can also buy during these prices because it is significantly down. I do not think it will go any lower from this because these are some crucial support areas over here, guys. So yeah, I do not think that it might go a lot lower than this. So, but obviously not financial advice. And as far as the day is concerned, guys, the market is down due to Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is down 7.10% as well, guys. So, as far as this video is concerned, guys, this news is huge, basically, guys. Check this out. Hedera, HBAR, and Algorand form DREC Alliance for Decentralized Recovery. So what is DREC basically, guys? DREC Alliance, the DREC protocol. So the DREC Alliance is a collaboration of forward-thinking companies from across the Web2 and Web3 ecosystems committed to simplifying the process of securing and recovering digital assets. So, in a nutshell, guys, you guys know that what of a hassle is if you lose your crypto. I mean, if you've worked so hard and you've created if you've turned $1,000 to $1 million just in case, and suddenly you lose it all. I mean, that is, I think, mind blowing, and a lot of people even tend to go into depression, and even worse, guys. When the lunar crash happened, you guys know things went downhill and to the south. The optimism goes crashing. So this is huge for the industry as a whole. There are there have been projects that have been working on how to recover funds, how to recover digital assets, but you have to keep that transparency as well, and the security traceability of blockchain in the backdrop as well, guys. So let me show you what Hedera and Algo aim to do. So basically, what is the direct protocol? Let me show you first. The decentralized recovery open source protocol is a standard approach to secret management based on secret sharing among a set of helpers, such as friends or businesses. These helpers can assist the user in recovering their secret when needed. So you would be a wallet just in case would be helped by helpers and friends when needed to recover their secret and to recover funds and that sort of thing. But you have to keep one thing in mind. Each helper's share reveals no information about the original secret. So this is where the technicality is that, yeah, although they can recover it, but they do not totally know what that is. So that sort of thing, guys. So let me show you. Even when the user has lost their phone or other two-factor recovery device, the protocol includes automatic regular confirmations that helpers still have shares of secrets and automatic resharing when secrets change or helpers join or leave. Okay, so importantly, the user never reveals who the helpers are, nor even how many helpers there are, and even the helpers won't know that, guys. So a sort of technical thing. So check this out. This is from Jesse A. Ellis. So shout out to him. Blockchain news. Hedera Hbar and ALGORAND formed Direct Alliance. With the launch of Direct Alliance, a pioneering partnership between Hedera and ALGORAND ecosystems, the blockchain world has taken a step forward in recovering their cryptocurrencies. That is huge, in my opinion, guys. A lot of businesses, why would they invest in something in which they cannot recover their funds? I mean, billions of dollars. I mean, if they lose it, they cannot recover it, even by a single mistake from a employee that has been sleeping at work. I mean, you won't basically trust an industry with your funds, with your money, with your hard-earned cash if this isn't possible. So this needs to happen for mass adoption, guys, in my opinion, and obviously your opinion as well. This collaboration took place between the two ecosystems. The goal of this cooperation, which was unveiled at the CFC St. Moritz conference in Switzerland, is to modernize the process of recovering digital assets by making it simpler and more safe for all parties involved. So the recovery of digital assets, that has been a hot topic, guys, for years in the industry. We're going forward with that. A number of important organizations, including as the HBAR Foundation, the Algorand Foundations, the HCAP Association. So these are all huge associations and partners that are involved. So they are all the members of the DREC Alliance that we talked about, guys. So that is awesome. These organizations come from both the Hedera and Algorand ecosystems. So awesome. Known as the Decentralized Recovery Protocol. So this is the DREC protocol. This new standard offers an open source solution to the management of keys and other confidential information when it comes to recovering user secrets such as digital assets, accounts, keys, and passwords. It entails secret sharing among a group of helpers such as friends or companies who are able to aid users in retrieving their secrets. So, yeah, this is really great and this is needed, guys. But obviously, you might be wondering, and I am also wondering, that what if those helpers try to recover your funds in a malicious way and all that sort of stuff. So I'm really sure that direct decentralized protocol would be thinking of that as well. That without the main wallet or the main user's approval, that won't be possible. So I think there's would be that sort of mechanism. The information that each helper contributes to the system does not expose, yeah, so yeah, this is it, does not expose any information about the initial secret. So yeah, that is great. So you recover it, but you still are keeping that secret intact, be it your secret phrase, your password, your key, or whatever. That is huge, guys. That is extremely bullish in my opinion. It is not uncommon to lose password in the crypto world, as reported by blockchain.news. Former Ripple executive Stephen Thomas lost the keys to his digital wallet, which held over $240 million worth of Bitcoin, guys. check this out. What if you make money, you've hodled a coin, a really good coin, and then you suddenly lose your key, your secret password, or whatever? That is heartbreaking, guys. Heart-wrenching, in my opinion. Extremely. One becomes crestfallen after that, guys. So Thomas had recorded the password on a paper but lost it. If he fails to remember the code to unlock the hard drive, his cryptocurrency fortune will be locked forever. Thomas has only two guesses left before his fortune is irretrievable. Guys, only two guesses. I mean, that is extremely sad in my opinion. So this has to happen for the industry to go forward, guys. Without this, I do not think whatsoever that mass adoption would be happening on a grand scale, obviously, because there are billions involved, guys, and if you lose your funds and you lose it forever, that has to stop, and we need to evolve. So Hedera and Algo, kudos for taking the industry forward. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about this news? What do you guys think? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the utility coins and potential gems, then do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.